No, I didn't do it. All right, welcome to the channel. And this is the Miata that we're going to surprise my wife with. If you want to know why I'm getting this, keep watching the video and see everything unfold. What's up, everyone? So today we are going to surprise my wife with her very own NA Miata. It's been a while since she had her own Miata, and I just want to do something for her since she helps a lot with our business. She's, contacting clients, doing some of the work like polishing, paint corrections, detailing. So this is my way of saying thank you for all the hard work that she's done. Planning the surprise has not been easy at all. We spend a lot of time together, so we work together, we live together as expected. I think I have the right plan. I have some friends waiting for me like 5 minutes away from the house. They're gonna pick me up, take me to the bank, drop me off wherever I'm picking up the car, and then hopefully I can make it back home in time to surprise her with the car. If not, I'm probably gonna have to park the car somewhere else and then surprise her some other way. I'm also very bad at keeping surprises, so I might have already given it away. I don't know. We'll see. I thought she was never gonna go out. Okay, so she's on her way to pick something up, and my friends have been waiting for about an hour, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so let's go get this car. All right, so after waiting for an hour, they finally picked me up. That's a nice car.
Yeah, like I got it off my friend. He gave me a really good deal. My son's mom had it.
Okay.
The only issue with it is really the front tires need to be replaced.
Yeah.
And that door.
Okay.
When he had it, somebody tried to break into it, so there's like a key stuck in the door. Fine.
Yeah.
And then I've replaced a bunch of parts on it. I got a new brake booster.
Okay.
I replaced all the gaskets from the head up, and then I got a new air intake in it.
Oh, had a gasket and valve cover.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
it leaks a little bit of oil from where the seal behind the pulley. Rubbers, calipers, pads, brake lines. Get the plug right on? No, I got it.
Hey, this thing is actually clean. I just gotta get used to it again.
Yeah, you're good, brother.
Yeah, I haven't driven manual like in a long time.
Yeah, it's been like.
I got the Miata. I'm in the car right now. We're gonna take it home. I think the surprise has been blown a long time ago, so we'll see what happens. He actually messaged me saying, hey, I just saw a white NA Miata driving on the street. So I think she saw me driving, but either way, I think she'll still be happy with the car. She's still going to be surprised. Stay tuned to see her reaction, and maybe we can tell you a little bit of the plans that she might have with the car. Maybe not. You're going to have to wait till the end.
Hey, what's up, guys?
All right, so we're almost home, and yeah, I'm gonna surprise her with the car. See, I think she'll like it. I know she will, but yeah, it's also kind of like hard because I'm like getting back into driving manual. Haven't driven it in so long, but we made it home without stalling, and the car drives fine. It does rattle a little bit because of the exhaust. One of the exhaust hangers is not properly hooked on, but it's a project car. We're not expecting perfection here, just something fun that we can build a channel with, and my wife can enjoy during summer when it in about 6 months.
And I am the selfie stick.
I got it for free. They give it to me. It's yours. Huh? Guys, you do so much work for us. Yeah, you do a lot of.
Is it you that I saw?
No.
It wasn't?
I don't know.
Oh.
Love you. You like it?
Yeah.
She saw the car, and before she went for her first drive, the key snapped in half. I've never seen that happen, but I guess we're gonna start the build with getting a new key. Oh, now we have a Miata that's stuck in front of the gate. The wheels, the steering wheel's facing forward, so I think we can just push that out of the way, and that should be fine for now. Alrighty, so we just
Got the key.
Yeah.
What?
Oh yeah, so we just started the build and we got the key. It's we really don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna go home and try it out.
I think it will. Last time we got one from here, it worked.
Yeah, and they weren't even sure if it was gonna work, so we'll let you guys know. We're back from getting the key made, and we are gonna try it out and see if it turns on. I'm nervous. I don't know if it's gonna turn on.
I think it will. I think it worked in the doors.
Good.
What? Oh, it's
Turn signal.
Oh.
It turns on every time so far.
It turns out really good, like really fast.
Oh yeah. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get some clips. It's getting dark, so we'll get some clips of her driving it around the neighborhood. Well, I'm not gonna show you where we live, but yeah, just.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive it right now.
I know you do. So it's the next morning. We want to work on the Miata, but we had to get some breakfast in, some coffee, and now we had to get done with work. You think it's gonna start?
I think so. It's so cold.
I know, it's like 40, isn't it, today? She's gonna take the car out for a drive. So what do you think about the car so far?
It drives good. I just drive it bad. That's all.
No, I think you're good. It seems like muscle memory kicked in because it's like you didn't really forget how to drive it.
Yeah. It's probably gonna drive really bad. I'm not gonna.
Oh no, it was pretty smooth.
Especially the way it doesn't drive as good as the one we used to have.
Oh no, that thing was like way better.
It's the second best, I think. Of how many have we had that actually drove?
I feel like we had like
4.
One drove, like one barely drove. One of the red ones.
Yeah, I've drove it once. I remember. The green one drove good, didn't it?
Honestly, that's one of the ones I missed. The green NB. Ow! I just smacked my head on the roof. Yeah. Yeah, there's some work that needs to be done. We need some new, a shifter rebuild kit on this, stereo. Just some minor things that it needs. Nothing too crazy. Wait, what do you mean?
Like, I was gonna go like towards the school.
Oh, that's good.
But why does it feel like we're going kind of fast, but we're barely going like 30?
Oh yeah, I don't know. What are we doing? 25? 28?
Barely 30. Like, yeah, I don't even 30.
It feels like we're going 40
like,
or 50.
Don't speed on the road, but it's like the speed limit is 25 and I'm barely going over. I think it's just it's so loud. Like, it sounds like we're going fast. Well, I'm going the wrong way here.
Yeah.
Nobody's here. That's fine.
Do you take this on a road trip?
Would I?
Yeah.
Not anytime soon.
Would we take it to Canada when we visit your family?
Once I can drive it better and once it's like fully good mechanically, then yeah, I would take it.
Okay.
I don't know how we would fit all our stuff in here in Ava.
Roof rack, trunk rack. I don't know. Nah, I can take the other car.
Which way should I go?
Left. Yeah. Is there water in the back? I can hear like splashing.